Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve two definitions. Now in the form section I have just created a button because we are not going to take anything from the user. So uh, the first thing we do is let us create a variable which is storing the ASCII, for example 65. Now if you know the ASCII table, 65 stands for capital A. So what I want to do is I want to convert this 65 into its equivalent character. So how do we use it? Let us say B is the variable in which I want to store that character. Now we are going to use the syntax string dot from char code. From char code is the method which converts a given ASCII character, ASCII value into its equivalent character. Now here we do not write any string variable name. We will be writing the string object name because from char code is a static method and static methods have the syntax string dot the method name, right? So directly the ASCII value which is stored in A, which is 65, will be converted into its equivalent character and it will be stored in B. So just to check, we will print the value of B and see whether this works. Right, so on click of the button, I should get the character capital A. So this may be a good start. If you do not know the ASCII values and the characters, you can go ahead and put in any value here. For example, 75 is capital K. I do not know what 95 is because it is a punctuation symbol. Okay, so 95 is the minus. Oh, it's the underscore. So likewise, I can go ahead and take something like 60. So that's the less than sign. So you can go ahead and check out what are the ASCII values. You need to mention a number between 32 to 127. Okay, this is the solution to the first one. From a ASCII character, code, convert it into its equivalent string character. So we have done that. Now, what we want to do is we want to have multiple character ASCII values and convert all of these into a single string. So for example, let's say I have the variable a1 storing say 65, and then a2 is storing the value 66 and a3 is storing the value 67. Now, if you know the table, A1 is actually storing the ASCII of capital A, A2 is storing the ASCII of capital B, A3 is storing the ASCII of capital C. So I don't want these to be individually converted. I want all of these to be converted into characters and then combined and form a string. So from char code has the second syntax in which you can mention multiple values here. So what it will do is it will convert these ASCII character codes into the string characters and they will be concatenated and the whole string will be stored in B. So by the end of this execution, I should get the string capital A, capital B, capital C. Let us see. See, I'm getting ABC. So basically from char code is a way by which you can take the code of the character and convert it into an actual character. If you provide it one number, it will convert it into a single character. If you provide a list of numbers, then each of them will be converted into individual characters, and all these characters will be joined together to form a single string. So that's all for this video. Go ahead and try this, and I'll see you in the next one.